Is Mamata Banerjee capable? Yes. The voices from across the country, from various leaders, from various parties coming and saying yes, she should lead. And that is because she has performed.
TMC MPs are saying that Mamata Banerjee should lead the India bloc right now.
That's a good joke.
एक डिस्कशन समझ क्या है कैसे किसकी जरूरत है
न तो ममता जी को दे दिया जाए।
हाँ दे दे।
कांग्रेस उसकी आपत्ति जता रही है लालू जी।
कांग्रेस को जताने से नहीं होगा, ममता को दो।
अभी आप उनको पकड़ के अभी आप नहीं लीडरशिप नहीं छोड़ेंगे तो कुछ नहीं होगा। ईगो ऐसा ही है, ईगो छोड़ना होगा।
So as far as the current Parliament winter session is concerned, let's talk about that. And of course, we also talk about when it comes to the questions is now being raised over who is the actual leader of the opposition leading the India blocs. But if stunts were a guarantee for Satta, India bloc would have been in power today. Day after day, we are looking at the alliance, which has scripted and has directed drama both inside and outside the parliament. We saw those similar themes that have been playing out with the day beginning with no trust in Rahul and ended with a no trust motion against Vice President and the chairman of Rajya Sabha, Jagdeep Dhankar. Now, the India bloc, which is now moved this no confidence motion against the Rajya Sabha chairman with a mere 60 signatures, they claim that Jagdeep Dhankar is partisan and muzzles the voices of the opposition in the House. Congress party, which is battling a credibility crisis already of Rahul Gandhi as a face, has joined this lost cause. But Sonia and Kharge's signatures, however, interestingly, are not on those, especially when it comes to the numbers that they have been trying to garner when it comes to this no trust motion. Let's talk about the numbers and how exactly are they placed currently as we talk about the chairman of the Rajya Sabha, who is also the vice president of the country. So even when it comes to the simple majority that is, however, required in both of the houses to actually remove him. Now, this is something that we are looking for the first time in history, that such kind of a motion that has been taken up. So let's take a look as far as the number game here are concerned, because there are currently 543 members in the Lok Sabha, where it comes to the ruling party that has 293 MPs. Now, the opposition, which has the support of 249 MPs, which is about 23 less than the majority figure of 272. The NDA alliance here clearly having the absolute majority in the Rajya Sabha as well. Now, while the opposition is close to the figure of 100, the majority mark in the 245 member of the Rajya Sabha is at 123. This is the majority mark that we are talking about here as well. The opposition does not have time for a mandatory 14-day notice as per the Article 67B, and since the winter session ends in the coming 10 days, incidentally, there has been no precedence in the last 72 years of a no trust motion against any chairman of the Rajya Sabha. Now, in history, there have been, however, 3 notices against the Lok Sabha speakers, and all of them, however, were defeated if we talk about 1951, 1966, and in the year 1987 as well. So let's show you exactly when it comes to the BJP and the Congress, who have been sparring over disrespecting the chair and what they have been saying all along.
कांग्रेस पार्टी और उनके साथियों ने लगातार चेयर का अपमान किया है और चेयर का डायरेक्शन को भी नहीं मानते हुए बहुत गलत तरीके से सदन में व्यवहार किया है।
पहली बार 72 सालों में विपक्ष की पार्टियों ने राज्यसभा में चेयरमैन साहब को लेकर एक प्रस्ताव मोशन सबमिट किया है। ये दर्शाता है कि स्थिति कितनी बिगड़ गई है। जिस तरीके से उन्होंने सभा चलाया है, सदन चलाया है, और खास तौर से कल जो देखने को मिला, हमें मजबूर कर दिया। सारे के सारे इंडिया पार्टी सभी ने हस्ताक्षर किया है इस अविश्वास प्रस्ताव पर।
Now, let's talk about why the opposition is actually gunning for the Rajya Sabha chairman. Just remember a week back, they were hailing Jagdeep Dhankar as a son of the soil when he criticized the centre over the farmer issue and the protest that has been taking place. But today, the same man, they want him to be impeached. Watch for yourself exactly why the Congress party may be upset that why Jagdeep Dhankar is raising issues on the floor of the House that may be going beyond their ideals.
You should replace, 1 second, Jairam Ramesh, you are so intelligent, so gifted,
so talented, you should immediately come and take seat in place of Mr. Khadge. Because by and large you are doing his job.
Sir, मेरा टाइम का ध्यान रखिए.
A wad of currency notes was recovered by the security officials from seat number 222, presently allotted to Shri Abhishek Manu Singhvi.
जो मेंबर इस हाउस में प्रेजेंट नहीं है वो ऐसे उठाना ये गलत है और किसी के इमेज को डैमेज करना
नहीं. कौन सा मेंबर?
नेता प्रतिपक्ष ने बोला है तो इसका अर्थ होता है कि उन्होंने स्वतः स्वीकार किया है कि जो सदन के अनुपस्थित सदस्य उनमें से कोई है.
Now this